everyone, I hope you're doing great. My name is Sneha Kapoor and today I'm going to be teaching you a really fun choreography. If you go onto the SIFF Young Artist YouTube channel, you're going to find a series of really cool Bollywood choreographies that you can learn and master. So today we're going to be learning the song Chaka Chak from the movie Atrangi Re. If you're a Sara Ali Khan fan, you're definitely going to want to learn this choreography because we are incorporating the hook step from the movie. So here's your chance to learn it. Also another exciting offer in this video is I'm going to be giving you my personal bonus pro tip to help your dancing get better. So watch the video till the end, learn the choreography with me so you can grab that bonus pro tip. So before we start learning together, why don't you take a look at the choreography? Here it is.
हाय चक्का चक है तू, हाय चक्का चक हूँ मैं। हाय चक्का चक है तू, हाय चक्का चक हूँ मैं। टपकती दोपहर सी लड़की की लहर सी मेरी जैसी चाहिए तेरे जैसे को। फूलों वाली डाली भी हो, चुम्मा भी हो, गाली भी हो, बोलो कैसे चाहिए तेरे जैसे को। पलंग टूटता पहली रात, सारा मोहल्ला करता बात, हुई चौबारे में बरसात, कौन वहाँ था किसके साथ। हाय चक्का चक है तू, हाय चक्का चक हूँ मैं। हाय चक्का चक है तू, हाय चक्का चक हूँ मैं।
Now that we've seen the choreography, let's start learning it together. Starting with our first 8 counts, which will be our hook step. I'm first going to break down the feet for you. So we're going to learn something called dipping. You're going to take your right leg slightly behind your left and we're going to sit back on our right leg. When I say sit back, I mean transfer your weight onto your right leg so that the heels of your left leg lift off the floor slightly. So we're going to go sit, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so your feet are going to be doing that while our hands go. We're going to pretend to hold something between our index finger and our thumb. Your left hand is going to be stretched forward. On 1, your right hand is going to come to your left hand on 1. You're going to pull it back to your shoulder on 2. You're going to hit your right shoulder forward twice on 3 and 4. So the whole step looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, moving on to 5, 6, 7, 8. First our legs. We're going to go towards our right side on 5. You're going to tap your left leg on and. We're going to go to the left on 6 and tap on 7. So we're going 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. Now from here, our hands were next to our shoulder. We're going to take them directly up on 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. So all I'm doing is holding my index finger and my middle finger of my left hand. I'm going to hold it with my right hand. Yeah, so now the whole hook step together going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Repeat 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. Now we're going to try this to music together.
हाय चक्का चक है तू, हाय चक्का चक हूँ मैं। हाय चक्का चक है तू, हाय चक्का चक हूँ मैं।
Moving on to our next 8 counts. We're first going to break down the feet. You're going to go again to your right side. Right, left, right, left, right, left. Okay, now there's a little bit of a hop on the third count. So we're going 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. From there, your hands are going to go from the bottom to the top, palms facing the ceiling. Bring them both down, palms facing the ceiling again. So joining your legs and you're going to go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Now we're going to try this 8 counts to music together. Moving on to our next 8 counts, we're only going to tap our hands first on our hips on 1, 2. Then we're going to tap close to our ribs on 3, 4. Then we're going to tap our shoulders on 5, 6. And then we're going to place our hands behind our head on 7, 8. So we're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now as we do this, we're just going to step on the spot with our legs going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like you're marching. Now we're going to try these 8 counts together with music. Moving on to our next 8 counts, we're first going to make a little flower. So your hands are going to come together and you're just going to open up your fingers to portray a flower on 1, 2. On 3, 4, you're going to make a fist with your thumbs up, like you're drinking thumbs up. And you're going to put your knuckles together and you're going to break it outwards. Okay, so this goes 3, 4. From there, we're going to blow kisses to our audience. So your right hand is going to come to your mouth on 1 and 2, 3 and 4. So we're first going to start on the left side, moving to the right side. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to take these 8 counts together, going flower 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From there, you're going to make a talking gesture with your left hand. And you're going to start from your right side going 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? From there, you're going to pick up your right hand. You're going to turn over your left shoulder, doing a 360 turn to face forward again and ask somebody what with that right hand. Okay? So this whole 8 counts with me. So we're going talk, 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 circle to and ask what. Now we're going to try this whole chunk with music. Moving on to our next 8 counts, we're first going to start with our hands. You want to put both your hands in front of you, lower next to your waist, and you want to make them go forward, like how when you're playing with somebody you say, oh my God. So the same feeling. So you want to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now remember our dipping step where we took our right leg back. We're going to keep our right leg slightly forward this time. So we're going to do a little hop on our right leg as we do this motion with our hands. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add a 360 turn, keeping our legs and our hands in mind. So we're going to go forward 2, side 2, back 2, side 2. Okay? So we're going to try this 8 counts to music first before we move forward. Moving on to our next 8 counts, we're going to travel forward on 1, 2, 3, 4 and then we're going to travel back on the 5, 6, 7, 8. When we travel forward, we're going to start on our right leg going 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a bit of a sachet. We're going to do the same thing moving back 5, 6, 7, 8. Now our hands while we go forward is we're going to start with our right hand, point going forward in a semicircle motion, 1, 2, 3, 4. From here your right hand is going to bend like you're yawning in the morning going 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, so the whole step with counts goes 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to try this much to music. Moving on to our next 8 counts, we're going to showcase rain and we're going to just do a simple sway. So put both your hands up, palms facing yourself. You're first going to go to the right side on 1, slowly, 2 to the left side and then you're going to give me 4 quick ones, right, left, right, left. Okay, so one more time, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now with that, we're going to step out just once on the one with our right leg and we're going to let our body follow the motion of our hands. So your body looks like it's drawing an S. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From there, we're going to take our right hand below to continue. Point towards the right side on the top. 1. On 2, you're going to bring your hand down and bring your left leg towards your right leg on 2. Then you're going to do the same thing on the left side. Step to the left side with your leg or your left leg pointing up. and bring it down. So we're going 1, 2, 3, 4. From there, you're going to point straight in front of you for 5, 6. 5, 6, going right and left, 5, 6. And then put your right hand on your chin like you're leaning on a table and looking at somebody. Okay, so we went 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to try this whole chunk to music together. Now that we've done that, we're moving into the last part of our choreography where the hook step comes back. So quickly recapping the hook step with you to counts. Going 1, 2, 3, 4, side 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Repeat 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. So let's recap the hook step with music together.
हाय चक्का चक चक्का चक है तू, हाय चक्का चक चक्का चक हूँ मैं, हाय चक्का चक चक्का चक है तू, हाय हाय चक्का चक चक्का चक हूँ मैं.
Like I promised earlier, here's your pro bonus tip. What you want to remember while doing this choreography is not to look at the floor. Remember to look up and look outwards. Don't forget to sing the song so that your face is also expressive and people enjoy your dancing as much as you're enjoying yourself.
हाय चक्का चक है तू, हाय चक्का चक हूँ मैं, हाय चक्का चक है तू, हाय चक्का चक हूँ मैं. टपकती दोपहर सी लड़की की लहर सी मेरी जैसी चाहिए तेरे जैसे को, फूलों वाली डाली भी हो चुम्मा भी हो गाली भी हो, बोलो कैसे चाहिए तेरे जैसे को. पलंग टूटता पहली रात सारा मोहल्ला करता बात, हुई चौबारे में बरसात, कौन वहाँ था किसके साथ. हाय चक्का चक है तू, हाय चक्का चक हूँ मैं, हाय चक्का चक है तू, हाय हाय चक्का चक हूँ मैं.
Did you have fun, guys, learning that choreography? I had so much fun teaching you this choreography. Now, what I would really love for you to do is practice this choreography. Don't forget to sing along with the song so that while your body is dancing, your face can dance with you too. Upload a video. Do tag us so that I can personally view your video and see your growth and how you're doing. If there's something you're struggling with, don't forget to write to us on the comment section below so that we can address it and help your dancing get better, because we're on this journey together. If you like what you see and you're enjoying what you're learning, don't forget to like our page, share it, subscribe for sure, and then hit that bell icon because we're coming up with a lot of fun stuff that we can't wait to share with you. And so you'll be the first to know all our updates, so don't forget to hit that bell icon. And till then, I can't wait to dance with you some more. So I'm going to see you at our next class where I'm going to be teaching you a choreography to the song Dolida from the raging movie that's just released called Gangubai. And I'm pretty sure you all have watched it. And that choreography is going to be really fun because it's got a really sweet like Garba feel to it. So that'll be something new for you to learn. So I'm going to see you next class. Till then, keep dancing, guys. Don't forget to practice. And here on SIFF Young Artist, we nurture the artist in you.